Hi, my name is Larry Borowski from Greenslade & Company. Today we're going to be talking about wobble gaging. Wobble gaging is an important part of checking your recess. It's actually used in conjunction with recess penetration depth that we've talked about in another series of videos. But what wobble does is it checks the looseness of that recess. So let's take a look at that gauge and what it does. Alright, what you have here, this is your basic wobble fixture right out of the ASME standards. You've got a top plate here, which is our degree plate. Ours goes from 0 to 15 on one side and 0 to 15 on the other, so it will indicate our total degrees of wobble. You've got a chuck, keyless or keyed, doesn't matter, just some device that's going to hold your fastener. The chuck is adjustable up and down, so you can move it as you need it. You're going to have your fastener to check, and then you're going to have your plug gauge. Now with this, with wobble gauging, it only is relevant to any your cross type recesses or your square recesses. So it's not applicable for the other styles of recess. When we go to actually check a recess, right here we've got a number 2 Phillips that we're going to be checking today. What you want to do is you open up your chuck, slide your screw in there, leave a couple threads sticking up, tighten that right down. What you're going to want to then do is grab your plug gauge. The pointer goes up through the small window in the top, and then we can adjust, we can rotate so that the wings are parallel to the back plate. This is what this is going to give us. It's going to give us the degrees of wobble in one direction. So with slight downward pressure, you're going to wobble, push it one way, which I'm looking at about 2.5 degrees that way, and push it the other way, which I'm looking at right at 0. So we've got about 2.5, maybe 3 degrees of wobble, which indicates that this is a good part in that one direction. Once you've checked that direction, what you want to do is loosen your chuck up, rotate it 90 degrees so you're checking your other set of wings, lock that back down into place, and you'll check wobble the other way. This direction only has 1.5 one way and 1 the other way, so another total wobble of about 2.5 degrees. Thank you for joining us today with our wobble gauge demonstration. If you've got any questions regarding this type of test or any type of fastener testing or dimensional checking, please feel free to give us a call or an email. Number is 817-870-8888, and you can get us at sales@greensladeandcompany.com, or check out our website even. We got all this information up there as well. So thank you very much.